Hi, dear student. In previous video, we have discussed about the thermodynamic process, and it is another kind of the thermodynamic process, that is a reversible and irreversible process. And we have already discussed about this irreversible and reversible process, and we also studied about the familiar example of reversible and irreversible process. Okay, then today we will learn our next article, that is, it is one of the type of the thermodynamic process, and it is the isothermal process. It is the isothermal process. This iso word deals with the uniform quantity, and this thermal deals with the temperature. Means the process in which, what is mean by the isothermal process? The process in which the temperature of system remains same. Temperature of the system remains same. The process in which the temperature of system remains same, this process throughout during whole process. The process in which the temperature of the system remains same throughout during whole process. This process called as isothermal process. This process called as isothermal process. What is the definition of, dear student? That is the process in which the temperature of system remains same throughout whole process. अगर जब ये प्रोसेस शुरू हो रही है तो इसका जो टेम्परेचर है ये शुरू से आखिर तक क्या रहने को होना, कांस्टेंट रहने को होना, वो टाइप के प्रोसेस को हम आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस कहते हैं. Okay, so sometimes this process is also called as the constant temperature process. Sometimes this process is also called as the constant temperature process. Means in case of this thermodynamic state variable, that is mainly is a pressure, volume and temperature. Means temperature is remain constant. So out of these three state variable, the one state variable constant, means the pressure and volume changes. So another definition of the isothermal process, the process in which pressure and volume varies. Pressure and volume varies, keeping temperature constant. This process is also called as the isothermal process. This is the first definition and this is the second definition. That is the process in which pressure and volume varies, keeping the temperature constant, and this is called as the isothermal process. Means in case of the isothermal process, the thermal equilibrium is maintained, and it is possible when the system is good thermally contact with the surrounding, and this process is slowly occurs, because when it is quickly occurs, then it does not maintain the thermodynamic equilibrium in every time, everywhere, and so we say that for assumption we assume that the process which occurs infinitesimally slowly or which occurs extremely slowly, this process is an isothermal process. This process is the isothermal process. Very familiar example, that is melting of ice. Melting of ice means the ice melts at 0 degree Celsius. Then freezing of water. Then evaporation of water in sea and or sea as well as river. अगर समुद्र का पानी की अगर भाप में अगर कन्वर्ट अगर हुआ, वाटर अगर कन्वर्ट अगर हुआ, तो समुद्र का या रिवर का टेम्परेचर चेंज होता है क्या? नहीं. It is converted into vapor and without change the temperature of sea as well as river. So this is the familiar example of isothermal process. Our refrigerator is also work on this isothermal process. That is a reaction in the refrigerator. Some reaction in the refrigerator is also depends on the isothermal process. Our heat engine is also perform the some reaction on the basis of the isothermal process. Means the process in which pressure and volume varies, keeping the temperature constant. And this definition of the isothermal process is indirectly contact with the famous laws, gas law in for ideal gas or perfect gas, and this is the Boyle's law. This is the Boyle's law. Then what is the statement of Boyle's law? That is, the pressure is inversely proportional to pressure is inversely proportional to volume at constant temperature. Pressure is inversely proportional to volume at a constant temperature. This is the famous equation or statement of Boyle's gas law. It is the ideal gas law. This law is holds for ideal gas, and for according to ideal gas equation, PV that is equal to small n RT, and for n number of moles, R is a constant, T is a constant. So we write PV that is equal to constant. PV that is equal to constant means, suppose P1 is the initial volume, initial pressure, V1 is the initial volume. So we write it is also equal to P2 V2, final pressure, final volume. P1 V1 that is equal to P2 V2. A suffix is also used for F. I for initial, F for final, but we use the 1 and 2 suffix for pressure, volume. Okay, so PV V1 it is also equal to P2 V2. So PV equal to constant means temperature T is the constant. So del T it is equal to 0. T is the constant. So del T it is equal to 0. So we know that student, suppose gas is isothermally expanded. We have already discussed about the isothermal expansion, and it is the slowly occur process in which the temperature is maintained the thermal equilibrium. That is the system and surrounding maintain the thermal equilibrium. So its temperature is remain constant. Its temperature is remain constant, and so in isothermal expansion, volume is increases from V1 to V2. Volume is increases from V1 to V2 to changes the pressure from P1 to P2. Volume is increases from V1 to V2 to changes the pressure from P1 to P2. And so I have already discussed, student, when isothermally expanded, the gas isothermally expanded, when we draw the PV diagram for the isothermal expansion and the area under the curve, it is gives the total work done. And we know that, student, according to equation of work done, that is the work done dW, that is equal to PdV, means it is the work done changes the volume from V to V plus del V. It is the smallest infinitesimal changes in volume, that is V to V plus del V. So at the intermediate state, P is the pressure and volume changes from V to V plus del V. Then the work done dW equal to PdV. Work done dW equal to PdV, and this work done dW. To find the total work done from this equation, suppose it is our first equation, and to find the total work done, you know that student, the total work done is obtained by integrating the above equation. Total work done W, that is equal to integration of V1 to V2 dW. Integration of V1 to V2 dW means that we have to changes the volume. The total work is done to changes the volume for V1 to V2. So we write W equal to integration of substitute the value of dW, we get PdV, that is V1 to V2. But according to ideal gas equation, that is PV equal to small n RT. So from this equation, P equal to n RT by V. Substitute this value in the above equation. So W equal to integration of V1 to V2 n RT dV by V. Integration of n RT dV by V, and so we write that is n is the number of moles, it is the constant, R is the gas constant, and T is always remain constant. So this nRT term, this nRT is taken outside from the integration. And so W, that is equal to nRT integration of V1 to V2 dV by V. Okay, so the integration dV by V, it is also that is at nRT. It is equal to nRT integration of, what is the value of this integration? That is a log base E V1 to V2, log base E V1 to V2, and so we write that is nRT log base E, and it is equal to substitute the values, substitute the limit, we get log base E V2 minus V1, log base E V2 minus V1, and also write nRT log base E V2 by V1. nRT W equal to nRT log base E V2 by V1, and in our textbooks it is written as such a symbol. Log, it is written log base E, that is log base C is used as a ion, that is it is a symbol for log base E in our textbooks. Okay, so this log base is to convert our logarithm in our log tables. The logarithm is expressed in the decimal form, and so above equation is converted to decimal form of the log. So we write W, that is equal to, multiplied by the factor 2.303 nRT log base 10 V2 by V1, log base 10 V2 by V1. 2.303 nRT log base 10 V2 by V1, and this is the expression or equation of work done during the isothermal. So according to isothermal process, in isothermal process, temperature is remain constant. And we have already discussed it. T is a constant. So del T it is equal to 0. T is a constant. Del T it is equal to 0. As the del T it is equal to 0 means temperature is remain constant. There is no changes in the temperature. So internal energy of the system is also remain constant, because when the internal energy increase or decreases, when the temperature is increase or decrease. इंटरनल एनर्जी सिस्टम की कब बढ़ेगी? जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ेगा या कम होगा. बट टेम्परेचर अगर सेम अगर हुआ तो क्या होगा? नो चेंजेस इन द इंटरनल एनर्जी. दैट मीन्स U is a constant. So del U equal to 0. U is a constant. So del U equal to 0. And so according to first law of thermodynamics, what is the equation of first law of thermodynamics? That is a del U is equal to Q minus W. Del U, that is equal to Q minus W. So del U equal to 0. Therefore we get Q is equal to W. It is the important conclusion. From this we draw the important conclusion, that is the total heat supplied to this system or heat release from this system, it is equal to the total work done by the system or total work done on the system. System is acts as an ideal gas. Okay, so net work done, that is equal to heat supplied. In case of, we assume the isothermal expansion, and so in case of the isothermal expansion, the volume is increases. So positive work is done on the system, that is the gas. And in case of this, we say that the work done by this system. But in case of the chemistry subject, it is in contrast. The work done by the system is considered as a negative, because the equation of the first law of thermodynamics is changes, that is plus sign. Okay, it is not our subject. So Q equal to W, and so we write important conclusion, that is the total work supplied by the system means the heat absorbed by the system, and it is done the positive work done. So in case of the isothermal process, we draw the important conclusion. In isothermal process, del T it is equal to 0, del U equal to 0, and what is the equation of the state? PV, that is equal to constant. First, and this is the second. It is the first and it is the second. PV equal to constant. Then the total heat supplied to the system, is equal to Q equal to W, but Q is not equal to 0, W is also not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0, W is also not equal to 0. Okay, but del U equal to 0. So this is for isothermal process, and if we draw the PV diagram for isothermal expansion, what is the picture of the PV diagram? What is the picture of the PV diagram? That is, we have already studied the PV diagram for isothermal expansion. It is for our revision. That is P1. Suppose it is the A point and A point, and suppose this is the B point. It is the P2. It is the V1 and it is the V2. So for isothermal expansion, the pressure volume diagram at the constant temperature process is also called as isotherm. Is also called as isotherm, means this is the isotherm. This is the isotherm, means constant temperature process. So this is all about the isothermal process, and the next process is we will discuss in next video, that is the isobaric process. It is related with pressure. Thank you so much, student.